Ukrainian drones strike Russian trucks loaded with dragon teeth blocks. In the presented video frames, drone footage shows 2 Russian trucks, which are planting dragon teeth obstacles in the southern Kherson. Another Ukrainian quadcopter drone gets positioned on top of the Russian vehicles and drops a grenade. The grenade lands right on top of one of the Russian trucks, and the explosion damages the Russian vehicle. The Russian troops jump outside the truck and run away, abandoning their equipment, trying to avoid more Ukrainian strikes, as another grenade drops, but this time it was meters away from the Russian vehicles. This video was published by the Ukrainian forces on their official Telegram channel.